Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Miss D, I do not have ill will towards you, was the words that came from his mouth today. He said that he wanted her to know that he does not hate her, and there's no ill will that he has in his heart for her. So go ahead and check out the video in its entirety. And remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment on the video. And please check out the merchandise also and membership that's available for purchase. Thank you.
You people have hatred. I am not a hateful person. Donna, I do not hate you. Donna, I have no ill will in my heart towards you. None whatsoever. Miss Lothian, I saw you join the live. Please tell Donna Dwayne says, because I know you talk to her. Tell her Dwayne has no ill will in his heart towards her. I wish Donna the absolute best in everything she does. Everything. And anything she puts her hand onto, I will wish her well just as well. I will. You people are making it seem because she blocks me or she blocked my phone numbers, I'm all of a sudden is meant to hate her. I see a lot of you a few of you on social media painting this narrative, and you need to stop it. You need to stop this mess. How is this mess benefiting you people? How? What on earth are you getting out of putting her against, putting us against you? What are you getting out of it? What are you people getting or gaining from all of this hatred? No, Keisha, no. You can't say that, no. Stop that, Keisha. Keisha, stop that, please. Stop that. I am going to say we can talk about people, but do so in a respectful way. What is wrong with you people? I am very sure a lot of these parents will be ashamed of you. Ashamed of a lot of your actions and reactions on social media. But yet still none of you seems to be getting it at all. None of you are getting it at all. We can talk about each other, but we can do these things in a respectful way. Donna, I do not hate you. Donna, from the bottom of my heart, right? Look into my soul. Look into my heart. You know who I am. And I don't want any of these unscrupulous vagabonds to come and tell you I hate you, because I don't. I truly don't hate you, lady. I don't. If I had hated you, I don't hate Donna. Well, if you stop it. Every day, every God almighty day that goes by, it is the same nonsense over and over and over and over and over. I go to bed tonight, I wake up tomorrow. The cycle continues. Same bullshit. Same thing. Over and over and over and over and over. Can people on social media catch a break? Can platform holders on social media catch a break from you unscrupulous people? A lot of you on here have so much crab in a barrel mentality. I don't expect better from you, because you know what? A lot of you don't know better. So when you know better, you do better. Yolanda, delete that comment off my thing. Delete that comment off my thing. How on earth are you gonna say such a? How on earth are you gonna say that? Yolanda, delete that shit off my page. Delete it now. Delete it. How am I making you feel like something's wrong? What could be wrong with me? The fact that I'm speaking truth? The fact that I'm speaking truth every day is the same thing. Yolanda, your backside, your caca. Because Yolanda, clearly some of us on here wants better for each other. Not every day we get up, we have to be fighting Tom, Dick, Harry, John, Paul, Peter, Jessica, Rasputia, Raquel, Sandra. We don't have to be fighting each other every day. We don't. We don't. Imagine, right? I am happy why I am happy now that I cut off a lot of people. I am happy I've now cut off a lot of people on here, because some of you people are really distasteful. Yes, in my earlier life, I addressed my good sis Flawless, and I said, Flawless, you have changed. You did change. The person who I saw on that video this morning around 4 a.m., I'm like, hold on. Is this Flawless or is this a doppelganger? This ain't Flawless. Because people you're gonna stop it. You will hear why I'm back up. Yolanda, don't piss me off. Do not piss me off. Please, I'm asking you for the love of God. Do not piss me off. Follow the story. Follow the story. Or keep it mute. Right? I took to my live this morning. I saw a video of my good sis. I'm like, hold on. What's happening here? Something is wrong. This is not her. Yes, I may have said in passing, oh, are you looking recognition from the shop? The reason why I said that, the reason why I said that is because I said something about my trip to Jamaica. That's why I said that about that part. Right? Lo and behold, the very same demon I warned Flawless from, the very same demon, demonic soul, demonic spirit, demonic everything. That little rat is of the devil himself, respectfully. How on earth? Listen, don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. We can go back and forth with people, right? However, it should be not okay under no circumstance for any man to be cursing females about their private parts. Unacceptable at all cost. And this demon, right, does that every day. I know for a fact some of you are gonna feel like, oh, I'm talking about someone on social media. Yes. In fact, they are on social media, but which part of social media? Which platform of social media? That is an unanswered question. Right? You people can draw up your own judgments. You people can draw up your own reasoning. whatever.